I was adding to my nature journal that I haven't added into for a while. Little tag on my chickens. A little corner tab here. Another little corner tab. With a page tab there. Some dyed music sheet. Oh, and this is a envelope with tea bags. And here is feathers that I found in the yard. And more feathers from, nope, that's rabbit fur that I found in the yard. And this is a gel print of the chickapin oak tree that I just showed you. And here's another nice corner tag collage with buttons and fussy cut bird. Another little envelope collaged and stamped on. Oh, and the poor fox that I caught in my duck pen that was not well at all. We did put him down. So my nature journal, I put assorted things from the little farm I have here. And I am sitting in my chair, so this isn't done very professional, which I don't like doing editing and all that anyway. Here is an owl feather I found. And my favorite wine. When some friends came over to have game night. Little envelopes. I probably wrote something in here about buying fencing for the orchard. And this was just a fun picture I drew of the chickens. And this is eco-pressed. And here's some feathers. Oh, and the murmuration of the starlings. That was in March. And in here I used a color book page to make little tabs, a 4-corner, 4-pocket. And that is, I think, some seed from a grass. Nope, sheep fur. When the sheep came over from my neighbors and got tangled in the briars. A fire bush. This is a log book about the murmuration of when they were coming, but I only wrote a few times on that. I need to put that in a special pocket to refer back to. Oh, it does say right up here on the corner. Let's see, I put a tab up here. So anyway, let's flip through here. Oh, I got a magnolia tree and I put a couple of the leaves in. A butterfly. I planted potatoes. I pick up every single piece of trash. So this was some more trash I found and I just made a little trash can. Then the garden seeds, and then this is the bookmark to show where I'm at in the journal, but I've passed here. And this is a gel print. And this is when my client came and took a bunch of classes she came from Florida for 10 days. My first client had so much fun, and she brought me a Pomeria bush and some parrot feathers. So I now have a new plant that I'm excited to see the progress. This was one of my spray oxide pictures that I really liked and decided I wanted to save it. It really turned out pretty. Colors in it. And then I got some permanent ink pads. This is Plum. And that was spray oxide and a stencil. So here is some butterfly wings I found. I turned this one over because it was so silvery. I wanted to show the other side of it. And that is the name of the butterfly. Possibly a hungry spider got it. And I planted oats all over the place, although this looks like it's a straw or a wheat seed, but I thought it was oats. Another gel print on spray oxide background. A chicken pen oak leaf. I got ink all over my hands. And this is a music sheet here. And the card stuck out over the edge, so I've decorated it. Oh, this was, I was at my friend's house and she had these peony, I believe. And it was so pretty, so I continued to let it dry. And then here's some more where the hawk got a bunny rabbit, and some more oat, and another blatternut seed. These are the ones I wanted to show you that I made. They're out of real old book pages that are very crumbly, which I like. And this is a manila folder that I spray oxided. But that's it. I haven't added any more to my journal yet. A bunch of empty blank pages to fill in. And it's a lot of fun to do. So I'm not even a third of the way through. Happy crafting.